Caleb's Toy Chest. Today we're gonna open Wreck-It Ralph toys.
See, we have a Oh My Disney Power Pack display, and it looks like Cinderella's castle. Then we have a little cube. What's inside the cube? Do you know?
No.
Okay, we'll find that out. Then we have Belle, Wreck-It Ralph Belle vinyl collection. It looks like from Funko. Wait up, cotton picking minute. And then we have, last but not least, Mr. Wreck-It Ralph himself. And I don't know what kind of toy that is, but we're gonna find out.
This time we're gonna open this up.
Let's do it. Oh wow, so inside Cinderella has a little fun castle to hang out in. Oh, we have some friends to put in. Good idea.
Wait.
Oh, Felix. Felix can fix it. Felix can fix it. Oh,
Mom, Felix and fix both start with F.
That's right. Let's see them go back on the right way. Ooh. Cinderella has a cool house.
Cinderella.
Everybody's falling. Well, here she is. You can take a look at her.
And Vanellope.
Go ahead, do it.
See the different thing about this. Let's see it now. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let's see it.
Whoa, cool.
Let's do it. Look at what it can do.
Ooh, good job. Vanellope, Cinderella.
Now let's open this up.
Can you open up that box?
Inside. No. Another Vanellope.
Oh, we keep getting her. Alright, we have two.
No, she looks different though.
She does? Oh, we have a big version. Here, put her down here so we can see. Keep opening up the Ralph. Let's see, open up the big Ralph.
Oh, my telephone. What's inside of here? It's a Wreck-It Ralph.
Got a Wreck-It Ralph?
Now we have a giant.
And Belle with a book. Let me see what her shirt says. It says BFF, Beast. Let me see.
BFF.
It says BFF, Beast Friends Forever. Alright, so that's all the really cool toys that we got. Oh, can I put her standing? There we go. So we have some really cool toys here from the Wreck-It Ralph. Ralph Breaks the Internet series. Which one's your favorite? Fix It Felix is his favorite. I can see why.
And this one.
We got a lot of girl toys today, huh?
1, 2, 3.
That's okay. Your sister will play with them.
Bye. See you next time.